I got those diamond sharpening stones, and in this video I want to show you how well they work. I made myself a little jig to keep the stones in place. You see they all got a little hole in the middle, and that fits perfectly on my little pin. And those two blocks hold the stone in place, and I can fix that. So that's perfect. We got 3 different grids. This is 400, this is 1000, and about 1200 grid. I want to start with my kitchen knife, and it's still pretty sharp. See, I used that for years. I like it. It's very hard steel, so it's kind of difficult to get it sharp. Just need a bit of water. And we start. I'm now looking out for a burr, and I feel it. You can maybe hear it. It's already there. Okay, so I feel the burr on this side too, so I can go on with the 1000 grit stone. Ha ha ha. And the stone stays wet. It's very convenient. The water is not going anywhere. Yeah, I feel it. Okay, the other side. Go back to this side. $1,200 grit. That's a different story. That feels very be a little patient. I want to clean it a bit. It's gonna be way better. Yeah, there it is. There's my final burr. Okay. All right. I use good pressure. I feel when it's cutting. Oh, it's perfect. Feels very good. I have a spot here. There's no compound on the leather. I can use this to clean it up. Let's test it. That's not perfect, but I know this knife. So I feel like sharpening this knife now. This is a very cheap knife, so the steel is way softer than from this one. All right. Okay, that's perfect. All right. Other side. Perfect. Okay. So that's very quick. We move on to the last 1,200. Okay, I use something like this to clean. Yeah. Okay, that's way better. Other side. Perfect. I love this. I love this. It's just time well spent, I guess. Okay. Let's clean it up a little bit. It feels very sharp, so let's test it. Yeah. Yeah, that's very good. That's how I like it. And it was relatively easy to do with the diamond stones because this steel, like I said, is very soft and therefore easy to shape. It's just nice to use a knife in that condition in the kitchen. Highly recommend it.